Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to post the same story onto Instagram accounts. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the Your Story option. Then, select the media from your gallery as a story. Next, tap on the Your Story option at the bottom to post it. Once it is posted, tap on it to view. At the bottom, there are different options. After that, tap on the add icon and type the account name. Following that, select the account and tap Add to Mention. You'll see that it'll send the story in the chat. Now, switch your account and go to chats. In the chat, there is the Add to Your Story option, so tap on it. Finally, post it on your story, or you can edit this by adding text. In this way, you can post a story on two accounts. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.